Hey guys, welcome to Tactics Tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to use HubSpot AI tools, marketing, sales, and services 2023. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. HubSpot CRM has some of its amazing AI-powered features that can transform your sales and marketing efforts. So in this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and focus onto the demonstration and how to use these features effectively. But before we dive into the steps, let's explore why using this platform is essential for your business. So why we use this, it's because it helps us better manage and streamline your day-to-day operations, including contacts, leads, and your sale processes. It also offers features like email integration, marketing automation, and more, all within just one platform. And for us to be able to get started with this, we're just gonna go ahead and try to get redirected onto this page. So just search onto your local browser HubSpot, and then right after that, you should get redirected onto this page where it gives you an option to get started. It's free. So let's go ahead and click onto that. Now signing up is just completely easy. You're just gonna go ahead and create your free account 100% free with no credit card needed. You'll actually have the option for that to continue with your email, continue with your Microsoft account, or just type in your email address so that you could go ahead and verify it. So HubSpot is actually committed to your privacy. HubSpot uses the information you provide to contact you about relevant content, products, and services. You may unsubscribe from this communication at any time, and for more information, you could just check out their privacy policy here onto the bottom part. And personally, I always try to use the continue with Google option so that I don't have to remember my email or password or any username. I'll just gonna go ahead and try to choose the account that I wanna use. Now on to this HubSpot tutorial, we're gonna embrace the future of productivity and unlock the limitless innovation with easy-to-use AI tools seamlessly available throughout the HubSpot customer platform. So this is just a public beta, so that we're gonna go ahead and have a quick overview onto what are the features on HubSpot that we're gonna be looking forward to. So let's gonna go ahead and get a demo for this. And to get the free demo, you're just gonna go ahead and type in your first name, last name, your email in there, add in some phone number, your company name, your website, how many employees that work there, and you need to subscribe to HubSpot marketing blog. So this is just optional. So they are committed to your privacy, and HubSpot uses the information you provide to contact you about their relevant content, products, and services. So we're gonna go ahead and just click on to get your free demo in here. And right after that, you should get your demo video wherein you should be able to see how to use CRM Suite Starter, which includes all the essential tools that you need for marketing, sales, customer service, content management, and operations bundled together at a discounted price. So we could just go ahead and hit onto the play button in here. Now time to introduce two of the features in here, or the AI powered tools to boost your productivity and save time. So just in HubSpot announced the launch of two new tools powered by artificial intelligence. So this is actually the Content Assistant and ChatSpot AI. So these will help its customers save time while creating better connections with their audiences. So the introduction of Content Assistant and ChatSpot AI builds on HubSpot's earlier investments in AI, including conversation intelligence in here, data quality, tooling, data enrichment, predictive AI, content optimization, and many more. So this is actually powered by industry-leading artificial intelligence systems for OpenAI. So Content Assistant and OpenAI Content Assistant and ChatSpot AI to create efficiencies for marketing, sales, and customer service for professional. So this is actually like having ChatGPT onto your HubSpot. So let's start first onto discovering the Content Assistant in here. So this is actually not yet available to anyone right now, but what we need to look forward to is this Content Assistant, which is launched already in private beta. So it is a content assistant that helps the marketing and sales team ideate, create, and share quality content in a matter of minutes, so if not seconds. Among many options, these can suggest blog titles related to a product or service, then generate a complete blog post outline for the title, write content in a flash for blog posts, landing pages, website pages, sales and marketing emails, and knowledge-based articles. And it could also streamline content marketing workflows into one place, saving teams time and energy. Now onto the other feature, we have your ChatSpot AI. So this is launching today in public alpha, and these will help HubSpot customers complete a variety of tasks using a natural language chat-based user experience. So these tools will help users add contact and companies to the HubSpot CRM, create custom reports related to marketing, sales, and customer service, draft professional effective sales, emails personalized to the recipient. And as you can see this HubBot in here, you could actually take a look onto the chatbot that they were mentioning. So they have it already in here. Harness the power of AI with HubSpot tools. I'm an AI bot here to help. Ask me a question and I'll find you an answer. So let's try to ask, what are the different AI tools that are available in HubSpot? Then we're gonna go ahead and try to click the send button in here so that we could utilize this chatbot. And right after sending the message, HubBot will go ahead and respond to you just like talking to someone. So as you can see, what's new in HubSpot AI, this chatbot that we just recently did try to experience, but they have more onto this. You could get early access to a GPT-powered chat experience right onto your website, available in private beta. You could just join the waitlist in here so that you could also empower to get your needs met quickly while giving your teams the space to focus on high-value support work. We also have this AI product roadmap where you could explore the latest HubSpot AI products development and get a sneak peek into the future of artificial intelligence at HubSpot. So let's just go and visit the roadmap in here. And now here onto the roadmap, you should be able to see the different things that HubSpot AI will do. So it will increase AI powered efficiency across your company, drive effectiveness using AI for better business outcomes, and connect with the customers better than ever before. Now you should also see in here when it was launched. The Marketing Hub, the Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub. So onto Marketing Hub, you could get content assistant across landing pages, social marketing emails, CTAs, SMS. You have image generation, AI image subject line generator, social post captions, and blog post summaries into social. You also have here onto the sales, the AI sales forecast, productive deal health scores, content assistance in Gmail, Outlook, and on mobile. Onto the service hub, we have the AI chatbots, content assistance in inbox, content assistance in knowledge base, conversation summary, and lastly onto the CMS hub, we have the AI website builder, content assistant for website pages and blogs, image generation, AI generated social copy within blog editor, and AI blog title generator. So these are actually the things that we will gonna go ahead and look forward onto HubSpot. And here also the roadmap onto the AI powered CRM, so you can see also the different features that it offers in here. So in conclusion, this can all revolutionize your small business sales and will help you create content, generate reports, write emails, build website, and provide exceptional customer service. So by incorporating these tools into your workflow, you'll save time and achieve better results. So these features are actually worth waiting for. Start using HubSpot CRMs today so that you could go ahead and try their AI features as well to supercharge your sales and marketing efforts. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.